Greetings, traders. It's Tuesday, July 20th, 2021, and I would normally have a cherry bomb trade for you today, but I don't know. Maybe you can help me. Leave me a comment. Are your cherry bomb emails coming in, say about 3 hours later than they normally do? Last Friday, we didn't get our cherry bomb. I didn't get my cherry bomb email until 8 something, and I'm used to getting them at around 5 o'clock in the morning, my time. And so, we'll call that a 3 hour difference. And, that obviously changes up the way I'm going to run my videos. It might be a video on how yesterday's cherry bomb trade went with a video maybe also on, I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I want to give you a trade today. I'm not in this just to do cherry bombs. I like trading, period. Hopefully you do too. So we're going to look at Cliff today. Would you join me on the cliff? No, really, it's Clevelan-Cliffs Inc., which is, in case you didn't know, a steel-related company, apparently a producer of rolled steel. So personally, in real life, I am long U.S. steel shares, so I'm interested in seeing what we can do here in this steel underlying. But a little bit about Cliff. Cliff has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4. You can see those 4 drops over there. And an IV rank of 57. Its IV is juicy because it has earnings coming up in 2 days. So we're looking at an earnings trade in addition to, hey, our first trade in Clevelan-Cliffs. All right, so I'm going to explore a short put and a short put vertical today, hence the question mark on that one. If you're interested, stay tuned because we're about to hop in and do this. Hi everybody, on screen here you can see our portfolio. That's what we should be looking at here. And I happen to be in the margin account. You'll see that we have what looks like a portfolio of losers because that's what happens when you manage your winners, right? So you can see over here the overall P&L for the year to date. So yay, that is positive. It's always nice when that happens, when the law of large numbers works out for us. We trade often, right? And hopefully trade small. So that's what we're going to look at. Let's take a look at the charts for Clevelan-Cliffs Inc. And you can see what drew my attention to it, besides sorting for IV rank, is that it hit the bottom band pretty hard recently. And, I feel like there's a good chance. And it's got, by the way, it has a moderately strong positive correlation with the SPY. And the SPY is up. Let's take a look at the, shame on me, take a look at the futures. We had a we had a down day yesterday in the market. So not shockingly, we're popping back up. Hopefully we can ride that wave here in the land of steel. And yeah, so Team Green seems to be the bigger winner right now. And our biggest loser is the VIX because everything else is going green, right? Not everything else, but most other things. Let's close that side drawer there. And let's go ahead and take a look at this trade. Oh, by the way, if you stick around to the end, I'll give you a thumbs up, and that does help me so much, right? Just looking for you guys to watch the videos to the end. That helps. All right, so let's scroll down. We're going to be in the August monthlies with 31 days to expiration, and earnings are on the 22nd. So first trade I've got already built is a $2 wide vertical, short put vertical, where we're selling the 18, which is a 33 delta, and we're buying the 16. So $2 wide, that's a 19 delta. And we're going to collect about 1/3 the width of the strikes, which is that tasty trade mechanic, right? So if we go and we take a look at the risk profile for this particular trade, we're going to see that we have a 61% probability of profit, or ending up on or to the right of this gold price slice at expiration. And that's good. And according to Tastyworks, this trade, which I've got pulled up right here in Tastyworks as well, it's P50, the probability of us making half the credit in the next 31 days, is 73%. So that's good stuff. All right, so that's nice probabilities. And our max loss on this one is $137. So you could take a small position, see what happens at expiration. Probabilities are in our favor in this one. So let's do it. I'm going to right click this trade. I'm going to choose confirm and send. You're going to see absolutely nothing. So let me bring this version of my screen up. There's the 63 max profit. There's the 137 max loss. I'm going to slip that one into my margin account. And I'm going to go back to this view. And let's go ahead and I left that on the margin. What I'm going to do is switch over to the IRA account. See how we're doing in there, by the way. Yes, portfolio of losers, it looks like. All of them? Yep, all of them are losers. We've managed our winners, but this is right. This is where we end up with some of these long positions that we're looking for. that we then sell some covered calls on. All right, let's go ahead and pull up the Analyze tab, staying in Cliff, but this time I think we'll just sell, as much as I think the tasty trade mechanic is to sell the 16 delta if you're going to go with a short naked option, right? In this case, I'm going to go to the 19 delta because it has greater liquidity. Yeah, so we're going to go that and click the sell button, click the bid, and that sells $56 is the bid for this one. It's 2 cent wide, which is nice liquidity there. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out our probabilities for this one. So we were looking at a 61% probability of profit on the short put vertical. And now let's go ahead and set our slices to break even. And we're looking at a 76% probability profit on the short put. And of course, that increase in probability comes with the trade-off of what's the max possible loss on this one, right? So if we're selling a 16, we could lose $1,600 minus the credit that we received. So what are we looking at? A 56. So we're looking at 1544. Let's see. Let's go ahead and right-click this trade, choose confirm and send. I'm going to change that view once again, and we're looking at 1544 is the max loss. So that's much greater risk, right? But that that it's not likely to go out of business, right? Yes, we could take bigger losses, 100%. But you also, besides getting better probabilities, it's easier to manage this trade. All right, I'm going to leave that into the IRA, hit send. And that is it for today's not cherry bomb trade. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Are you getting your trades later like I am than normal? But you made it to the end. I promised you a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching these videos to the end. I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, you can see that we use Thinkorswim simulated trading so that we can get all the learning without all the risk, so that you're comfortable when it comes time to spending and risking your real dollars on real trades. I hope you'll join us by hitting that subscribe button and go into the description. You can get cherry bombs too. I'm not sure when, but you can get them sent to your inbox by going down to the description, clicking the link, signing up with Tasty Trade, not with me. There's no affiliate relationship, no money, no kickbacks, no, not even a high five from them, right? So this is just because they give out great information, and we like to test ourselves, put ourselves through the motions, and learn. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope to see you in tomorrow's video. I used to say cherry bomb, but who knows what's going to happen. All right, everybody, until then, may the market be with you.